How to log in into SunTrust Bank online banking account. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create Login and Delete, and now let's get started. So first of all, open any web browser search engine on your mobile phone, PC or desktop. Then just search for SunTrust Bank, which is now Truist Bank. Then tap on the first link that is on top, which is the official website of the bank. Okay, now you'll come across the main website. Then at the top, you'll see the option of sign in. Okay, just tap on it. Here we go. Now over here, you have to enter your user ID and password in order to sign in. So if you are new here and want to create an ID in this bank's website, you can see this option where need a user ID, set up online banking. Now in case if you forgot your user ID or password, you can just tap on forgot user ID or reset password right here. Now for instance, let's tap on forgot user ID. Then you'll come across this page where you have to select your account type first. You can also read these details given below. But after you select your account type, just tap on continue, and over here you have to enter your details like your card number, your social security code, your zip code, your last name and your contact information through which the bank can contact you, and at last enter your email address and then just tap on continue. Now by following all these steps, you will be able to recover your user ID for SunTrust Bank account. Now, if you go back and in case you forgot your password, you can just tap on reset password and then follow these similar steps in order to recover your password and then simply log in into SunTrust Truist Bank account. This is it for today, and at last, don't forget to like and subscribe.